Hi guys, welcome to Techiara. So today we will see how to install VLC without actually installing it. So if your system requires admin rights, then you might be required to enter the password while installing any software. So as VLC, so specifically for VLC, I have a method where you can use VLC without installing it. So let's go to it. So let's search for VLC zip file download. Go for the first name. As you can see, this is drop down menu, right? Select that. Select any one of the zip package, 7-zip or zip package. They're showing downloading. Let's wait for. So as the download has started, let's give Ctrl J. That download is complete. Now go show in folder. Extract it. The extraction is complete. Now double click the extracted folder. Now you can see that VLC application is available over here. Now you can either send this to desktop and create a shortcut so that it will be easy for you to access it. You can directly open it. As you can see, we haven't installed it. We haven't installed. We haven't even downloaded the exe file. We have downloaded the zip file, and we can open the VLC. So let's check it with some random video. Okay, it's
तो आप सभी का हमारे से YouTube चैनल
so the video is playing, so it works fine. That's it guys. If this video, give a like, subscribe to my channel, share it among your friends. Thanks for this today guys.